If you're seeing the Opera video source error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to troubleshoot it step by step. This is a common issue when a video won't load, a stream keeps failing, or the source appears broken inside the browser. We'll check whether the problem is caused by the website itself, and then we'll fix Opera's browser settings that can interfere with video playback. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Now let's get into it. First, before changing anything in Opera, open DownDetector and check whether other users are reporting problems with the same streaming service or website. This is important because if lots of people are having the same issue at the same time, the problem may not be on your device at all. It could be a global outage, a broken media path, or a temporary server-side issue from the service provider. If DownDetector shows a widespread outage, then the best thing to do is wait. In that case, Opera is not the actual problem, and the website's engineering team will need to deploy a fix on their end. While you wait, you can keep checking the status page or refresh later, but there's no browser setting that can fully fix a service outage. If the site is not down, then the next step is to adjust Opera's performance settings. Open Opera, then go to Settings. From there, click System. In the System section, look for the option that says Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Turn that setting off. Hardware acceleration can sometimes cause video playback conflicts, rendering glitches, or source errors depending on your graphics driver and the website you're using. After turning it off, click the Relaunch button so Opera can restart the browser engine cleanly. This step is important because the change won't fully take effect until the browser restarts. Once Opera opens again, test the video source one more time and see if it loads properly. If you're still getting the error, there's one more setting you should check. Click the Easy Setup icon in Opera, then scroll down to the Privacy section. Find the option for block ads and trackers and turn it off. Sometimes aggressive ad and tracker blocking can interfere with embedded players, video scripts, or content delivery tools that a website uses to load media correctly. After disabling that option, refresh the page and try the video again. In many cases, this solves the issue immediately. So, to recap, first check DownDetector to confirm whether the problem is a site-wide outage. If it is, you'll need to wait until the service fixes it. If it's not a global issue, go into Opera's settings, open System, turn off hardware acceleration, relaunch the browser, and then disable block ads and trackers from the Easy Setup Privacy section. These two browser fixes solve a lot of Opera video source errors. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful browser fixes, and comment below if you want help with another Opera issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.